So I wanted to buy a shirt for my dog. I usually get these little tank top shirts here at Miniso just because the form of the tank top makes it so it won't fall off her shoulder. Since she's a Frenchie, like her neck and her shoulders are the same. So I got this pink one. It was too small on her at the end of the day. So she doesn't really wear it no more. So I was gonna get this first bag, but then I saw the second bag, and since it came with 3, I just got that one. So I took these to the dressing room, but I didn't check the size and they were too small. Then I went to Costco and I found these. I did buy but I didn't take to the trip. I also went to get my hair done, my roots, and then just a color on my hair. This is the result, and I really like it. So I wanted to make sure I left the house clean before I went to Cancun. This mess was from Christmas, and I left it like that for a while. So I wanted to make sure I didn't leave any food or anything. I didn't leave it completely clean, but cleaner than what it was.
He says he has flan de elote. I don't know if you ever had that.
No.
Yeah, that.
Does he have regular flan?
No. He has chocolate flan.
We'll get the chocolate flan.
And he has chocolate, the penguin. He has one of penguin. He says that it's homemade.
No, give me a chocolate flan. Por favor. So now I'm just eating leftovers from Christmas. I'm eating pozole. Put some lime juice, chili oil, just mix it. And yeah, that's my dinner for today. So now I'm just showing you the bags I got. I'm cleaning my makeup brushes and cleaning my actual makeup since I'm putting them in new bags. So this is a lotion I'm using. I'm using the Dove. After that, I'm using the serum I got from Costco. This is my Pond's face wash, shampoo and conditioner, another face wash I use, some pads, razors, deodorant, my fiance's crusty toiletry bag, my lotion, loofah, body wash, and it's all done. So I took out my suitcase that I bought and I put my clothes out to see what I'm wearing, like the outfits I'm wearing, and just to fold them. took a quick trip to the pharmacy. I needed some stuff for my puppy. And this is what I'm taking in my personal bag: my wallet, some headache pills. I get a lot of headaches. My allergy pills, makeup wipes I forgot to put in. These are pills so if I get car sick. My fiance's perfume, his deodorant, my AirPods, and toothbrushes I forgot to put, and I made it happen somehow. And lastly, this is the flan that I got. It's a choco flan. This was really, really good. I didn't expect it to be so good. I didn't want to share it with my fiance, but I'm like, since he bought it and he told me about it, I guess I have to share. So I gave him half of the flan. But either way, thank you for watching. This is pretty much my first vlog, so planning to make more. Hope you have a nice day, and thank you for watching again.